Hi everyone, I'm back with my next video where I'm going to just show you guys how I package my cute little mini note booklets that I had done a video just before this one, and these were the little mini booklets that I had shown you guys. They are so cute, and I made these using a 6x6 paper, and you can get two of these little booklets with one piece of 6x6. So I will put the link down below for you if you wanted to have a look and see how I made this, and it's a really fun little project for you as well. So I packaged them up like this, so these would be ready to gift to a crafty friend or to gift to somebody to say thank you. Also a great gift as a teacher's gift. Also a great idea to put inside your Happy Mail or Snail Mail packages as well. So I'm going to package these ones. Well, I might just do one and show you how I make these embellished bag toppers as well. So what I've done was I purchased these, well, I have a few of these self-sealing bags that I purchased from my discount variety store, and so I'm going to use that. And what you just need to do, luckily my one it did fit. I'll just take one out now because I'm going to use it. The width of it fitted perfectly for my little mini booklet, so I'm going to use one of those. So it's a self-sealing clear bag, and we'll put that inside the clear bag first, and then we'll make the bag topper. So what I've done was I'm going to put the little mini booklet inside the clear bag, and I like to slide it, all my packaging or all the things I'm going to package from the bottom, and then having the part where it opens, I like to seal that at the bottom instead of having it that way. That way your bag topper doesn't get damaged when you gift it to somebody, and all they need to do is just open it from the bottom, just like that, and then they can take it out and they can reuse the packaging again if they'd like to. So I'm going to put mine in there and take the backing off it, if I can get it off my hand, and I'll just seal that off. So that's already packaged. I mean, you can already set it off like that if you like, but I like to decorate mine. And I'm going to just use some plain cardstock. So these are just some plain cardstock, and all I've done was I've just measured the width of the packaging, so that will fit nicely on there. And then I've just cut the width at the length, or the width I should say, at 2 inches, and then the length is whatever the width of your packaging. And you could I just fold that in half, or you can score it first. So that's my bag top, the base of the bag topper, and that will just slide on like that. And before I adhere it to the packaging, I'm just going to decorate, or I'm just going to give it a nice little decorative corner there. If you've got a corner decorative punch, you can do that, or you can leave it like this if you want. I'm just going to use my 3/4 of an inch circle punch, and I'm just going to slide that in and just punch at about 1/4 of a circle. So it goes like that, as you can see, and then I'll do the same to the other side. So I know there are bag topper dies as well you could use, but I know not everybody has a die cutting machine or a bag topper die. So this is just another way you could make your bag toppers. So that's done, and I'm just going to add some double-sided tape to the inside of the topper along the edge, at the bottom edge. Just tear that off, and I'll peel the backing off that, and same with the other end. And we're just going to, well, I'm just going to line that up along the packaging as straight as I can, and press that down, and then press the back. So that's your bag topper done. You can leave it like that, but we're going to decorate it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some of this crepe paper along the bottom there first. So these crepe papers I purchased from my variety store as well, or you can purchase these from a party store. This one here, I think it's about 2 inches wide. About 2 inches wide, and I'm going to use, I might use the white one. So I'm just going to cut a strip at about, I don't know, I think that's about, what have I got here? About 8 to 9 inches. So I'm just going to cut that off. And then I'm going to just fold the crepe paper in half. It doesn't have to be perfect. I think it always looks nice when it's not really perfectly folded. So I've got that done there. And I'm going to apply some liquid glue just along the top of my topper, just along here, and just apply a little strip of it just going along there. And then I'm going to, I've turned it, how have I done this one? I've even forgotten. Okay, yes, so the fold, it doesn't really matter. I've got the fold on the top so that the bottom is double layered there. So I'm just going to place that along the edge of the glue, and I'm just going to fold it back, and then just continue folding it back and letting it rest on the glue. Again, you don't have to worry about it not being too straight. So you can also use your double-sided tape if you don't want to use the liquid glue. And there's one, I cut one a little too short, but that's fine. I just spread it out a bit. So that's all done. That's why I didn't use a double-sided tape, because once you've got your crepe paper stuck on there, you'll end up tearing the paper. At least with the glue, you've got a little bit of time. So that's there done. And then just to cover that bit, I'm just going to use some of my scrap papers that I've cut into strips. I love keeping these, and I use these in all of my embellishments, and use these as my paper layering for my embellishments. I'm just going to pick a strip that I think might work. I might use that one. Okay, I think I will just use that one. And then what I'll do, I'll just put that to the side. I'm just going to cut that off a little bit, just there. Apply some glue to the back. And just sort of line it up to the edge there. And then I'll just cut off the little end bit. So that looks nice. And one of my word sentiments that I have myself, there's so many different words in here. I've got created with love, grateful, you are adorable, hello. So I think I'm going to just use created with love. Put that along there like that. So I'll just glue that there. I'll place that along there. It looks really pretty already. And I'm just going to grab one of my little paper flower embellishments by Little Birdie. And just going to grab one of my glue dots. Stick it on with my glue dot. And just place that just there. And that's my packaging all done. ready to gift. So that's just a fun way of decorating your little bag toppers if you don't have a bag topper die, and just use your embellishments, your scrap papers, and then you can have a nice decorative bag topper with your packaging. So I just wanted to show you my little packaging for my little mini booklets, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.